नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी किश्ते वीरा से, ज़रा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी बड़ी ज़रख़ेज़ है साकी. Starting in the name of Allah Almighty, who causes the water to flow in lakes and who fill the clouds with rain that spread across the sky. Honorable CEO, respected teachers and dear youngsters, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Harim Ebrar, and today I stand before you merely not to recite dates, but I am here to remind you that history is a mirror. And in that mirror, you could see courage, sacrifices, mistakes, divisions, dreams, and most importantly, lessons for our own generation. You all scroll phones all the day, but if I ask you who searched about the history of Pakistan, or who searched about what did our ancestors do for us, then the answer will be blank. Today, I am here to tell you a story of independence. Our story begins in 1857, when the War of Independence erupted against British rule. The revolt was suppressed and Muslims faced political, economic and education decline. That was a time of loss and uncertainty for many citizens. But Allama Muhammad Iqbal says, मिट गए मिस्र, यूनान और रोमान, लेकिन कायम है अब तक नामो निशा हमारा. कुछ बात है हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे ज़मा हमारा. In 1867, Hindi-Urdu controversy began in Banaras, and that showed how language can become a source of partition when people believed that communication should build bridges, not walls. In the same period, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan spoke about educational differences between Hindus and Muslims. And from that time, we can learn that our weakness is not lack of talent, but our weakness is not utilizing that talents. Our weakness is not diversity. Our weakness is that we allow language, religion and politics turn us into enemies. History teaches us that education can change the destiny of the whole group. And that's why year 1875 is really special to me. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established Muhammadan Anglo-Oriented College for Muslim education, and that later became Aligarh University. Then came different occasions, including formation of All India Muslim League and Lucknow Pact. Then came Cabinet Mission Plan and the acceptance of Mountbatten Plan. And finally, in August 1947, independence arrived. But independence was not given as a gift to us. It came after decades of sacrifice and determination. The heroes of the past did not wait for perfect conditions. They utilized the condition they had. They studied when education was limited, and they dreamed when the future was uncertain. Today we have great opportunities, but still we lack discipline. And that lack of discipline teaches us that we are unable. Remember, dreams without effort remain dreams, and knowledge without character can become dangerous. सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ, सदियाँ गुजर गई, दुनिया तेरी बदल दे वो सजदा तलाश कर. I would like to sum up my speech in these words. खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल ना हो. शुक्रिया.